Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the hairuwear Raquel Welch Always Long Layered Comfort Cap Wig in the shade RL 1422 Pale Gold Wheat. This is an average cap size wig featuring long layered lengths designed to give you that effortlessly stylish look. Made with true-to-life heat-friendly synthetic hair, it promises versatility with the option to flat iron, curl, or blow out, all while being easy to maintain. So, let's see how it really performs in real life. Right off the bat, the Memory Cap 2 technology stands out. This wig's cap is designed to stretch gently and mold comfortably to your head, which is crucial for all-day wear. The lighter, cooler, fine stretch lace makes it feel almost custom-fitted without the usual tightness or discomfort you sometimes get with synthetic wigs. Plus, the extended nape adds to the natural feel and coverage, which I really appreciated. In terms of styling, the true-to-life synthetic fiber is impressive. I tried curling the wig first, and the curls held nicely without looking overly synthetic or stiff. When I switched to flat ironing it straight, it responded well too. No melting or warping, which can be a real issue with lower quality synthetics. This wig truly offers flexibility for switching up your style, whether you want full-bodied waves or sleek, straight locks. That makes it great for anyone who likes to experiment or change looks on the fly. For everyday wear, the wig was surprisingly lightweight and breathable. The Memory Cap 2 definitely helps with ventilation, which is something many synthetic wigs lack. The color, Pale Gold Wheat, is a beautiful blend of warm blonde tones that look natural and flattering under different lighting conditions. It's a sophisticated shade that works well for a wide range of skin tones. Now, nothing's perfect, right? One small downside I noticed is that while the hair feels soft and realistic, it can tangle a bit at the nape after prolonged wear, especially if you're active during the day. Regular gentle brushing and a detangling spray will help, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for ultra-low maintenance. Also, while the cap is designed to stretch, if you have a smaller or larger head than average, the fit might not be as precise. Is this review helpful so far? If yes, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to help other beauty lovers find this honest review. Your support means the world and keeps us going. When it comes to value, this wig sits at a mid to high price point, which I believe is justified given the heat-friendly synthetic fiber and the advanced cap technology. True-to-life fiber wigs generally offer a more natural look and greater styling versatility than traditional synthetics, and the Memory Cap 2 enhances comfort, a major factor if you wear wigs regularly. If budget is a concern, simpler synthetic wigs without heat-friendly fibers can be less expensive but won't offer the same styling freedom or comfort features. Comparing this wig to others on the market, it definitely holds its own against brands like John Renown or Raquel Welch's other lines. The heat-friendly true-to-life fiber is a step above basic synthetic fibers, making it more adaptable for styling. The cap construction here is also a highlight, as many wigs at this price don't offer that custom-like fit with such breathable lace. For those who want premium synthetic options without going into full human hair wigs, this is a compelling choice. The build quality is solid. The fibers retain their shape well over multiple wears and washes, and the cap materials feel durable but lightweight. Given how often I styled and wore it, I'd expect it to maintain its integrity for several months with proper care. Raquel Welch wigs have a good reputation for longevity, and this model continues that trend. Since I haven't had direct contact with customer support for this wig, I can't comment on that firsthand, but the brand is generally known for responsive service and support. If you're exploring other options, the Raquel Welch Always Long wig does stand out for its heat-friendly features and comfort. But if you want something more budget-friendly, some brands like Revlon or some newer indie wig makers offer heat-friendly synthetics at lower prices, though they may lack the same advanced cap design or fiber quality. To wrap up, the Raquel Welch Always Long Layered Comfort Cap wig offers beautiful, versatile styling options thanks to its heat-friendly true-to-life synthetic fibers, paired with an impressively comfortable and breathable cap. It's ideal for anyone seeking a long layered look that's easy to style and wear daily without the high maintenance of human hair wigs. The slight tangling at the nape is a minor trade-off for the overall performance and quality. If long, luxurious layers with styling flexibility are your vibe, this wig will serve you well. If you're new to wigs or on a tight budget, you might want to weigh the investment against simpler options. But for regular wig wearers who prioritize comfort and style versatility, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic today. You'll find a purchase link down in the description and comments. If you've already tried this wig, drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And as always, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.